I am convinced that a revelation in the Book of Doctrine and Covenants solves the economic problems of the world.
No other success can compensate for failure in the home.
Righteousness must prevail in our lives and in our homes. It is a must.
Only Jesus Christ is uniquely qualified to provide that strength to overcome the world.
We believe in Christ. As members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, we worship Him and follow His teachings in the Scriptures. Come unto me, all
ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest.